Let's unbox this Vitamix Immersion Blender and see if it works. So inside the box, we have our instructions, a warranty, and our actual immersion blender. It has a bit of weight to it, so I do have high expectations. Really easy to put together, just screw, and you hear that click. This has a 4-blade configuration, stainless steel body, and it has multiple intensity modes. There's only 2 buttons up on top, one for power and one for intensity. It has a confidence-inspired heft to it, meaning it is a bit more weighty than most immersion blenders, but it is still lightweight enough to handle with one hand with ease. With this, I would make hot soups, yogurts, smoothies, or even my own sauces. But what most people want to know is, can it crush ice? So it might seem kind of basic that we're just crushing ice, but a blender's ability to crush ice is a great indicator of how it's going to perform across the board. Also, it's not as wasteful as making 15 smoothies when you test 15 of these back to back. Alrighty guys, back to the game show. Will it blend? Oh, wow. Okay. Let's go up a notch. 2. We're already at almost snow cone level, guys. If you can see, I just want to crank it all the way up to get the rest, but I'm already thoroughly impressed. That looks good, you guys, like a snow cone. I would love to add some water or some flavoring to this and drink it up. Overall, I am thoroughly impressed with the Vitamix Immersion Blender. Imagine if this was a soup or smoothie, yogurt, this would have been absolutely no problem. So I definitely recommend.